Wait, go.
Today we're going to clean up this big mess. So if you want to show yourself how, this is kind of easy. You just put them in a box. But dolls go in here. And things go in the other box. So let's just put these here. It's easier if we put toys in here. There's the baby. Let's put this in here. These dolls. Is there any more? Oh yes, there is.
That's an Elsa box? Is that an Elsa box?
Now I'm just gonna put it here and later I'm just gonna put it in the Elsa box. So comes.
Because that's an LOL box, right? So you put everything, all the LOL will go to the LOL box.
Yeah, all the things go in here. My video for this photo.
Okay.
Okay, so let me put these in here. These.
Go.
Okay, guys, so now it's time for us to bring everything up to the playroom. Let's just put this last piece. So do you see how everything's organized? Let's do it. Okay, so we bring everything up. Now let's grab all the Elsa dolls and put them in the Elsa right area. Mommy, are you done?
No. Ellie is doing a great job cleaning up.
Okay, I'm gonna do dolls.
Okay, hold on. You're next.
I do okay?
Why am I too noisy? I think there's more.
Think there's more? Mommy, are you done?
No.
Do you see how organized this is?
Wow. You did all of that?
Yes.
Okay.
Now let's go to writing lesson.
I think there's more in there. Look.
Oh wow, that's so much.
Okay, let's bring them up.
Okay, let's put this here and then let's go grab it up. Follow me, guys.
Okay.
Whoa.
Oh, you okay?
Yep. Mommy, are you done? If this doesn't fit, I'm gonna put it all the way up there.
Oh, it's here. Let me help you.
Okay, great. Now let's grab this and put it right here.
Wait a minute, you're next.
This mystery jar. I bet because I am in elementary school and they actually have rule numbers. So you can't talk. You can't talk over a teacher. And
Have you been good in school?
oh yeah, and also you have to be good in school.
All right.
Let's
Good job.
go.
All right. Say bye.
Bye.
And go.
Hi guys. Today we're learning how to drive this scooter. So let's try this. So first up, you put your feet down. Then you start to move your feet. Then count to 3. 1, 2, 3.
Wow.
So that's what you do.
Good. All right. Now it's your turn.
I'm gonna go with you because it's really fun. No.
She's gonna clean up too. She's gonna show everyone how to clean up the bed, right?
Oh yeah.
Okay. First.
I'm going to be writing lesson 2. Whoa. I'm going to do this. And FT is good and over here.
Okay.
Yeah. Oh, wait. You're doing what I was doing the last time. Maybe both of us could do the same thing in the video.
Okay. And what's that, Sophia?
And I can clean up FT and slippers.
Mm-hmm.
I gotta clean up FT in here. And
Where did the slipper go?
oh, go here.
Good.
A scooter.
Where does the scooter go?
And over here.
Are you sure?
Oh yeah.
Is that supposed to be under the stairs?
Let's put it on behind here. And let's put it behind here.
Anything else that you need to clean up?
You? Not money's. But we're gonna play money's.
All right. That one, I think that's mommy's, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
This had to go here.
Are you sure it says hat? What does it says?
Nothing.
Okay.
This goes here.
Okay. All right. Okay.
Oh yeah.
All right. Where else? Where does that one go?
This go over. Okay.
Oh, I think that's brudne, tak?
That's
In the-
dirty. Oh yeah. This go here.
Okay. And anything else that you need?
So see, I got trash. So this is paper. Eeny, meeny, miny, mo.
I think there's a. Where is the paper?
If you holler, let it go. Eeny, meeny, miny, mo.
You sure that's paper?
Yes.
What is paper?
It's kind of things that it just rips easily like this.
And what kind of garbage is that? What do you put in there? Recycle and.
Plastic.
Okay.
Mommy,
Yes.
now I'm going to do ballet.
Okay.
And I'm going in my scooter lesson now. Hey! Scooter lesson. So this is our scooter lesson. Scooter? So the first thing you do is put your feet and start to roll. And count to 3. 1, 2, 3. And then and I'm going fast. 1, 2, 3.
Whoa.
And see how easy it goes? 1, 2, 3. Roll. 1, 2, 3. Roll.
Oh, okay.
1, 2, 3.
Be careful.
Roll. 1, 2, 3.
Okay, I'm gonna stop now.
1, 2, 3.
Okay.
Oh, bye. Okay, one more thing. If you want to do a pose, go like this. 1, 2, 3, and then this. And I go and jump.
Whoa! Wow!
Listen. Bye. Bye. Welcome for this video.